So as you guys know, I lost one of my passing lights here, and since it went out, I decided to go ahead and upgrade to LEDs, which are sitting right there. So that is my project for today. Next up, I'm going to replace all my blinkers and tail light with LEDs, because you know, I really don't see all that good at night, and I want to see better. So there it is. And I may yak or whatever. I'm just going to leave this thing going as I work, and I'll edit it all up later. So off we go. I've never installed LED lights on a Harley Davidson before, so this is, and you know what, they didn't even send me an installation manual. That's interesting, but I'm going to learn as I go, I guess. Let's do it. That's going to be a heck of a difference there. Yeah, that's going to be one heck of a difference. Alrighty. Well, shit. Well, I guess if it's gonna fall off, I'm glad it did it now. Woo, my back does not like this position. Oy. I should be rewiring these, but I'm gonna just hang on to these for future use. Now, these do have positive and negative on them, so make sure you get them connected right. What the fuck is the problem here? You have plenty of fucking open space to get over that fucking thing. Well, that one certainly decided to be a pain in the ass. And look at the difference between those passing lights and the headlight. But she's next. Now, here's a little tip that I should have said from the beginning. You should really disconnect the battery when you're working on any type of electrical system. But this is my own vehicle, and I know what I'm doing, so I trust myself. But as a general rule, you should always disconnect the battery when working on a vehicle. And you really get these off and start examining them, you can really see the pits and stuff in them. I'd like to get me some of the retro covers that have the visor with the Harley Davidson emblem on it, and both of the passing lights, but you know, that's money that I have to spend on other things at present. Maybe someday. Rest my back a minute. Freaking coffee cup just took a piss on me. Thought they might have that to where it just slips off, but no dice. What do we got going on here? Looks like they gave me a choice of harnesses here, and I gotta figure out which one to use. Man, it's too much to ask for them to actually freaking match the wires. Color code these damn things. Anyway, I just need to get those wires into this connection. There. I bet that light doesn't work anymore though. Oh no, I was moving the whole filament around, so that's unfortunately not going to be usable anymore. It's unfortunate they got to do things where you have to destroy it to get it apart. There's no reason for that. I do not exactly understand the hell they did here, or why the hell they did it this way. Somebody gave me this thing. I thought it was pretty damn cool when I first saw it, but it's a bit clunky to try to get into places and use. Especially on crimping. Why does everything have to be so low to the ground? I need to get me a lift. That's just all there is to it. There she be! Woo, that's bright. Now, while my GoPro was cooling off, I did check voltage and everything, so don't forget to do that. So, it's supposed to be plug and play, but as you see, I had to do my own wiring, which is no big deal. Now, just looking at it, I'm not sure what this is all about, but I don't think I need that on there. Damn it. just so you know, there are notches that this is supposed to go into, and they don't exactly fit into it. Looks like we're good. So on my 2009 Heritage Softail Classic, you have to use the original beauty ring, inner beauty ring, because this does not hold the headlight stable. It was moving all around in there, so throw this away or use it for something else, because it's not going to hold your headlight tight. Alright, get the hell in there. Thank you. This is where I could certainly use another set of hands. So, we're all set. A little more work than I thought. I mean, like I said, it did not come with any instructions at all, but my background in being a mechanic, I was able to figure it out. But yeah, that's it. It's, I mean, all things considered, pretty easy install. But got the headlights on, got the passing lights on, upgraded to LED. That was the goal. Now I'm gonna go get these bolts and I'll finish it up, and I'll probably take a little ride later today. Might wait till it gets dark, right after dark, to see if I need to adjust these headlights any after messing around with them. So that's it. Upgrade to LED lighting system on my 2009 Heritage Softail Classic. Done and done. I think this is easy enough that pretty much anybody can do it. This is freaking insane, people. 2 5/16 by 24 by 1.5 inch bolts, grade 5, and a little 0.2 fluid ounce thing of blue Loctite. Almost $14 freaking dollars, people. Each one of these bolts cost me $3.64 each. This is ridiculous. This is Bidenomics right here. Anyways, let's get back at it. Fucking ridiculous. That's more like it. Alright, everything's working properly. I don't know why they always turn off the running lights when you go to bright. Okay, next step is to get her all cleaned up, wiped down. I got fingerprints all over this thing. Get some fuel put in this girl. Let's start. stuff for fixing the bags is going to be here, oh, about a week. And then I'll show you how to do that. I did opt for going ahead and purchasing the framework instead of trying to make it myself, because there are patents out there and I do not want to infringe on somebody's patent and get myself in trouble. So I mean, I would do it if I wasn't going to make a video of it, but since I'm making a video of it, somebody might see that and say, hey, that's my design, and come after me or something. So I decided just to go ahead and purchase the Ride Solutions iron bag framework, and once it gets here, I'll get it put in and show, of course, how to do it. And it'll be good to get the bags back on this bike. I'm tired of carrying everything in the backpack. So I think I'm going to cool off and chill out for a little while, maybe eat something, and then I'll come down here and I'm going to clean her all up and probably take a ride later on. I might take you guys with me. Depends. See you later.